Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, wherever you are in the world. I'm John Sonyinado. If this is your first time on this page, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos and like the page, comment for me to have your field of my videos. Today, we are going to learn about sample size calculation for descriptive cross-sectional study. So, sample size calculation for descriptive cross-sectional study is estimated for prevalence studies. We know descriptive cross-sectional study is also known as population study or prevalence study. So when there is an unknown parameters we want to study, we use sample size calculation to also get a good precision. And this is mostly for quantitative studies. The formula for sample size calculation that we are going to use is Cochrane, and it's given as n equals to z square pq divided by d square, which can also be written as n equals to z square p bracket open 1 minus p bracket close divided by d square. The variables stand for n, sample size, z, confidence interval, which is 95% confidence interval, and is taken as 1.96. Then we also have p, which is the prevalence of the disease in question that you want to study, or the coverage of an antigen or whatever you want to study. So you can get this one from studies literature, maybe a nearby district or country or region study prevalence that has been estimated. So for this purpose, we are going to use 95% coverage of malaria vaccine RTSS3 antigen, which is the question we are going to study. Then D, which is the precision or the margin of error, which is also given as 0.05, that is 5%. So taking the formula into consideration, we'll get n equals to 1.96 square multiplied by 0.75, which is the coverage in bracket open 1 minus coverage divided by margin of error, that is 0.05 square. 1.9 square, which is the confidence interval, will give us 3.8416. We multiply it by the coverage, which is 0.75, that is the 75%. Bracket open, 1 minus 0.75 will give us 0.25 divided by the precision, the margin of error, which is 0.0025. When you work the mathematics, you get 0.7203 divided by 0.0025, which will give us 288 as our sample size. But it's advisable from literature that you need to add margin of non-response rates. Usually 10% is used. Some also use 5%. So taking 10% of 288, it will give us 28.8, which will be 29. So adding it back to 288, we'll get 317 as our sample size. Therefore, sample size for our RTSS3 coverage will give us 317 respondents. Thank you very much. If this is your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you get more videos and studies. Watch out for reference manager, which is Mendeley. We'll also be using Zotero. Thank you very much. Thank you.